Good morning, students. We will be starting from where we had left before. So, today our first question is question number 11. Limit x tending to 0 e to power x minus e to power sin x upon x minus sin x. Now, if I put the limit here, this is 0 by 0 form. Correct? This is 0 by 0 form. So, why? Because e to power 0 is 1, e to power sin 0 is 1 means e to power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus sin 0 is 0, so 0 minus 0 is 0. So what can we do? We can differentiate the numerator and denominator. The differentiation of e to power x is e to power x minus e to power sin x into cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Now, if you put the limit e to power 0 is 1, e to power 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus this is 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, again this is 0 by 0 form. So, here what we have to do, we have to write by law of Pithal's rules. So, here what we have to do, limit x tending to 0. Here again we have to differentiate. So, it is e to power x minus e to power sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, 1 is already there. So, cos square x minus what it will be, or we can put here plus like this. So, e to power sin x into minus sin x upon sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So, we can find the value like this. Now, what can we do? This is 0, this is 1 and here it will be again 1. So, it is now again 0 by 0 form. Put the value of limits, you will be finding it to be 0 by 0 form. So, here we can do one thing, limit x tending to 0 e to power x minus e to power sin x, I can take common here. Again we will differentiate it. This one we have got sin x into cos square x minus sin x. Now what we are having, e to power sin x differentiation we have done. Now we have to differentiate this. Here it will be plus, I can put here like this. So, e to power sin x, differentiation of cos square x is 2 cos x into minus sin x and minus cos x upon cos x. Now, if I put the limit, see here, this is e to power 0 1, e to power 0 1 and this is 1, 1 minus 0. So, here it will be 1. So, here 1 minus here how much it will be? This is 1. So, 1 minus 0 means 1, e to power 0 is 1, 2 cos x sin x, this is 0, and here it will be minus 1. So, what we will be getting here? Minus 1 upon 1. This will be getting cancelled and answer will be 1. Question number 12. Limit x tending to 0 log 1 minus x square upon log cos x. If I put 0 here, it is log 1, the value of log 1 is 0 and cos 0 is also 1. So, log 1 is 0. So, this is which form? 0 by 0 form. So, what can we do here? We can differentiate the numerator and denominator. So, differentiation is 1 minus x square into minus 2x. Why minus 2x? Because the differentiation of minus x square will be minus 2x. 1 is 0 and this is minus 2x. 1 by cos x and here minus sin x. This one we have got is equal to, and here we can write by L'Hopital rule. This is limit x tending to 0. What have we got? Minus 2 upon 1 minus x square. This minus and this minus will be getting cancelled and here sin by cos will be 10. And this x we can take down. So, we can write like this. This is limit x tending to 0, 2 upon 1 minus x square upon limit x tending to 0, 10x upon x. This is nothing but 1. So, here we can write limit x tending to 0, 2 by this upon 1, put the limit here. So, this is 2 upon 1 equal to 2. Now, see the 13th question, what it is given? X tending to 0 plus 3 to power x plus minus 2 to power x upon root x. So, this is of which form? This is 0 by 0 form. Now, see here, we can apply the L'Hopital rule. This is 3 to power x. Differentiation of 3 to power x log 3 minus 2 to power x log 2 upon this is 1 by 2 root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So, limit x tending to 0, we have got 3 to power x log 3 and here plus minus 2 to power x log 2 and here 1 by 2 we can take here and root x we can take, sorry, this is also will be going up to root x. So, once we will put the limit, this will become 0 and 0 into anything is 0. So, the answer will be 0. Now till now we had done all the forms which were 0 by 0 form. Now we will be doing the questions based on infinity by infinity form. What is the infinity by infinity form? See here the question. Now we come to exercise 6.2 and question number 1, limit x tending to 0 plus log sin x upon cot x. So log 0 is not defined, it is infinity, and log this cot x is cos upon sine, and whenever we are having sine 0, so sine 0 is 0, anything divided by 0 is also infinity. So this is of which form? This is infinity by infinity form. In both the cases, when we are having 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, we can apply L'Hopital rule. So here we can just write it log sin x upon cot x. Again we can differentiate. Here in this case also we will be doing the same, following the same procedure. So here it is now comes cot x. What can we do with this cot x? We can have minus cosec square x. That implies what? Limit x tending to 0 plus cos x upon sin x, and this cosec x square x will be 1 upon sin square x. So we can write here sin square x. Here this will be getting cancelled. Now if we put the limit, this is sin 0, this is cos 0, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 0. So what it will be? Cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So it is minus 1 into 0 equal to 0. Question number 2. Limit x tending to pi by 2 plus log x minus pi by 2 upon 10x. If I put here pi by 2, then what will happen? Here it will become 0 and tan pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is sin pi by 2 by cos pi by 2. So this is of which form? Infinity by infinity form. So here limit, if I differentiate this, I have got this into 1, because differentiation of x is 1, this is constant, so this is 1, differentiation of this is sec square pi by 2. Now what can we do again? So this is sec square x, pi, sec square, not pi by 2, sorry, this is x. So sec square x is what? Sec square x is 1 by cos square x. So we can write this as limit x tending to pi by 2 cos square x upon pi x minus pi by 2. Now this is of which form? This has become 0 by 0 form. Here by this is 0 by 0 form. So again we can apply L'Hopital rule. So here limit x tending to pi by 2, this is 2 cos x into minus sin x upon 1. Differentiation of x is 1. This is, so now we have got denominator without which number? Without 0. So we can just put the limit here. So this is 2 into cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So here into minus 1 by 1. So here answer will be 0. So log cot x. Cot x is cos upon sine. Cos upon sine log, here will be having infinity, which means it will be infinity, and anything here e to power infinity. E to power infinity is again infinity. So this is infinity form. So limit x tending to 0 plus log cot x. So 1 upon cot x into minus cosec square x. Here e to power cosec square x into 2 cosec x into differentiation of cosec square x is 2 cosec x into minus cosec x into cot x. Now what are we having? If we see here, so we can write limit x tending to 0 plus minus cosec square x upon e to power cosec square x into, or this minus and this minus will be getting cancelled. So we can write 2 cosec square x into cot x. This will be getting cancelled. So what have we got? Limit x tending to 0, and here tan x upon 2 e to power cosec square x. Tan 0 is 0 and e to power cosec square x is infinity. Anything by infinity is 0. So we get the answer here 0. Now question number 4. Limit x tending to infinity log x upon x. What it is? This is infinity by infinity form. So here limit x tending to infinity log x, 1 upon x, differentiation of x is 1. So here we write by this one we have got. Now this is 1 upon x, limit x tending to infinity 1 upon x, answer will be 0 because 1 upon infinity is 0. This we are having. Limit x tending to infinity x to the power 4 plus x square by e to the power x plus 1. Now see, can we do something here? Now see, this is limit x tending to infinity. This is how much? 4x cube plus 2x upon differentiation of e to power x is e to power x. This is infinity by infinity form. Infinity plus something is infinity, that we are knowing. 4x cube plus 2x upon e to power x. Now limit x tending to infinity. Again, this is which form? This is infinity by infinity form. Nothing we can do. Again we will differentiate. So 12x square plus 2 upon e to power x. Again infinity by infinity form. Now limit x tending to infinity, this is 24x plus 0 by e to the power x, again infinity by infinity form. Now limit x tending to infinity, how much this is? 24 upon e to the power x. Now here we can have 24 by infinity. 24 by infinity is nothing but 0. So we can put the limit here. So students, today we will be doing till here only. In the next session we will be doing further questions on infinity by infinity form. So till your next session, bye bye.